At the Institute for Health Logistics and Analytics at Georgia Southern University, we believe access to basic health supplies should be simple, safe, and judgment-free. That's why we launched Care Stations, easy-to-use machines that help you take care of your health on your own terms. This Care Station is available to the public 24/7 and is designed to work just like a vending machine, but with health and wellness in mind. It's private, confidential, and quick to use. Using the Care Station is simple. First, grab your smartphone, approach the touchscreen, and select Get Started. Scroll up and down to browse available items. You'll find everyday health products including pain relievers, allergy medication, bandages, hygiene kits, period products, and glucose tablets. There are also pregnancy tests, STI tests, and drink safety test strips. Once you've selected the item you need, press the Checkout button. You will then be asked a series of questions. Use the touchscreen to select the answers that best describe you and your decision to use the Care Station that day. And be assured that your answers will remain anonymous. Once you've answered all of the questions, a QR code will be generated on the Care Station screen. Open the camera on your phone and scan the QR code. This will launch a payment screen on your phone where you can enter your payment information and complete your purchase. The machine will guide you step by step. After checkout, your item will be dispensed below, just like a standard vending machine. It may take up to 60 seconds to dispense, but don't worry, this is normal. Once your product does dispense, the machine will automatically reset for the next user. One of the most important features of the Care Station is that purchases are always anonymous. Whether you're picking up ibuprofen, condoms, or STI tests, your purchase is completely private. No one else will know what you chose. This makes it easy for people to get what they need when they need it. Care Stations are for everyone: students, community members, parents, and families. You'll even find children's health items like children's Tylenol and diaper changing kits. Your health matters, and access should never be a barrier. Care Stations. Easy, safe, confidential, and available 24/7.